how to change Epic Games region. It is possible, it is not possible. Let's find out now. First, I will tell you that it is possible, okay, but it depends on your country. What you need to do is come on Google and you need to type how to change Epic Games region, okay. Click to search and you will come to this page, okay. How do I change the country on my Epic Games account? Click on top, you will come to this page and you need to click right here on here, okay. Here you can also read that you can update your country once every 6 months. But it is not possible to update the country on your Epic Games account to certain regions, okay? So you need to click on this option right here and you will come to this page. In my case, I live in Brazil, so it is impossible to change the country on Brazil. It is impossible to change the region. So you need to come to this page and see if it is possible to change the country in your region. If it is, you just need to change right here on this page. I hope I help you out to change your Epic Games region. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.